Hello friends, welcome back to in this video. So friends, finally Infinix XBuds 3 VTWS launch imminent visit Indonesian certifications, and this earbuds I think launch in Indonesia soon. And here you see this earbuds look and design, and look is very pretty. And talking about specifications and price, so this earbuds is very fantastic, and features is really useful in this earbuds. And Infinix has coming back in November 2023. Infinix Buds NC model was also spotted on the Bluetooth is SIG platform. And here you see this earbuds is recently online spot. And talking about this earbuds is launched in Indonesia soon. And approximately all feature is not revealed at this time, but after some time features are really revealed before this earbuds launching in Indonesia. And talking about what is price of this earbuds, so price is not revealed at this time, but I think this earbuds launch in market in Indonesia approximately $50. So what do you think this earbuds? Please tell me, and thank you for watching this video.